Here's interesting app called HealthBit Lifestyle and Heart Care. So let's just install it and see how it works. There are a bunch of apps in this category. Um, I don't know how legit are those apps and all of that. A lot of people looking for kind of app which should be quite precise and measuring heart rate and also blood pressure and all of that. I think these kind of apps are coming. There's of course also some watches and devices. I'm not sure completely how precise they are though, so you of course need to consult your doctor and all of that. And just to avoid to be scammed, and usually these apps ask you to pay a lot of money upfront just to upgrade for some kind of yearly subscription, to create some kind of yearly plan or something. And while they are still not that precise, but the technology is getting there. So let's just take a look at this app. You can just tap to allow it, and then here you just have, of course, there is like a 3-day free trial, then $4 per week. And then this is how you can, if you want, you can upgrade. 3-day free trial, $4 per week. You can see some disclaimers, and then you can just try to measure. For example, you just need to give access to your camera, and what these apps do, you just need to press the finger to cover both the back camera and the flashlight, I guess. And then you just hold the phone and keep still until the measurement ends. So that's how you can just do it. And then it's actually still, it's kind of measuring something. I don't know, it's and then as you can see, it's kind of skips because I just I'm moving my fingers. And then in the bottom you see the percentage. So maybe it's actually quite accurate. By the way, I'm using iPhone 14 Pro for that.
Here is the Chat GPT hack that will change your life. Now you can have Chat
And then unfortunately you just have all this annoying
GPT
ads
in your
with
phone
it. Of course you just need to upgrade, but that's basically the idea, I guess. You can see the some of the statistical data, all of that. And then if you want to unlock all other things, again, you just can upgrade here like that. I'm not sure about blood pressure of these apps, but at least heart rate, I think it is getting more and more precise just with your phone. Again, this is iPhone 14 Pro. I'm not using Apple Watch. I'm not using any additional Fitbit, whatever devices, smartwatches, anything. This is just phone. You just put your 2 fingers on the flashlight and on your back camera. In other app, I just tried, you just need to put your 1 finger on the back camera without the flashlight. So maybe with these new iPhones, it's just getting more precise. So you just decide, if you want to upgrade and try out this app. Blood pressure, I don't know, and blood oxygen, how it defines that, I don't know. And body temperature, I don't know. And also then this app also has also health stats, health tips. Then there is meditation, guided meditations. Then there is your profile. So that's that.